Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. And today I'll be showing you how to make this easy to make pineapple fried chicken recipe. Stay tuned. Let's start off by adding some smoked paprika. Then we're gonna add some chicken seasoning. After you add your chicken seasoning, you wanna add some thyme leaves, about a teaspoon of thyme leaves. And then we're gonna add some cayenne pepper for that extra spice. Spice it up a little bit. Now you wanna add some crushed garlic, minced garlic, about a teaspoon. Then you wanna mix everything together. Make sure the seasoning is fully combined. Your chicken is well seasoned, all right? So now, after you add your seasoning, you wanna let it sit, let it marinate for about an hour to 2 hours. So right here I have some flour, all-purpose flour, about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, and some milk, about a half a cup of milk. Now you wanna combine the milk with the egg, mix it up together until it's fully combined, and then we're gonna add our chicken to the flour, into the egg, and back into the flour. This combination right here is gonna allow your chicken to be nice and crispy. So when we add the pineapple sauce on top, it's not gonna be soggy or anything. It's gonna be perfect, all right? So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. All right, guys, so now it's time to add some cooking oil to your pan. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Add your chicken and make sure the chicken is fully submerged in the oil. All right, now we're gonna fry our chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure it's nice and crispy. That's the exact texture we're looking for right now, crispiness. All right. Yes, guys. Take a look at this beautiful piece of fried chicken. Boneless chicken thigh. It's packed with a bunch of flavor. Well done, nice and crispy. I can't wait to try it. I'll let you know how it is, at the end of the video. Stay tuned. All right, so add some pineapple juice, guys. After you add your pineapple juice, you want to add some grated ginger. Then we're going to add some brown sugar with some soy sauce. Bring it to a boil, mix it up a little bit and make sure everything fully combined. And then we're going to mix up some water with some cornstarch. After you mix up the cornstarch and the water, we're going to add it to the boiling mixture. And this is going to allow your sauce to become nice and thick. As you can see in the video, the sauce is good to go, ready to go, nice and thick. So now you want to add your chicken, your fried chicken, flip it over back and forth. Make sure it's fully covered and you should be good to go. This is it, guys. This is it. Look at this beautiful golden brown, crispy, crunchy, juicy pineapple fried chicken. Thank you so much for watching my video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos.